Hey coffee nerds, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm of course your host, the Cortado Samurai. Today I want to talk about latte art pictures. So I have a few in front of me. This is a $10, $15, $20 picture from like Amazon. This is a 20-ounce pitcher, so it can steam basically any amount of milk that you would need in a realistic drink. You don't need 30-ounce drinks. If you think you do, you don't, you're wrong. So this is just a great everyday pitcher, and you can pour latte art with this pitcher. You can't quite Falcon grip it, but you could easily pinch it and pour with it. This is just a great pitcher. It's got, the inside is labeled so you can see ounces and milliliters. Awesome. This is good. This is awesome. It's got a rounded spout, so you can't quite get super sharp with your latte art designs, but this is just a great pitcher. But when I first started out, I wanted something else. I wanted something new. I wanted something I could call my own and I could practice with and I can get better with. So I got this. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos about latte art, and everyone kept mentioning Slow Pour. Slow Pour is a company that do pitchers and maybe glassware, but this is a 15-ounce titanium black WPM pitcher. Handles, so no handle here. It's got a leather strap. It's very sharp looking. It's got a indent where 6 ounces is. I don't know if you can see that. So this one is much smaller, good for like maybe cortados, cappuccinos, flat whites, something like that. It's got the rounded spout, so you can't quite get super clean lines, but it was a great pitcher. This is what I kind of started out with learning latte art, and I highly recommend it. Now it does get milk in the leather, and you have to like wipe down the leather basically after every day that you would use it, or every time you would use it, really, because you don't want milk drying on this leather. And not that this is like super premium leather, but you don't want milk drying on that. If I had to rate this pitcher, I'm pretty happy with it. Like this is like a 7. It was only $68 on Slow Pour whenever I got it like a year ago or something. I did drop it once and it did dent, but not in a noticeable way that even affects the steaming. You probably can't even see it. So 7, maybe 8 out of 10 just for versatility. 7 out of 10. It's a little small, so you can't steam lattes with it, really. Maybe an 8-ounce latte. You can't do 10, 12-ounce lattes with this. So then I'd say half a year ago, I got this. I got pretty serious with my latte art, and so I wanted the next step. And this is a super sharp point pitcher, 15-ounce still. I thought it was going to be bigger than that whenever I got it, or I would have gotten like 20 ounces or so. But this is a 15-ounce pitcher, so same size, but the spout is like a beak of a bird. It's fucking insane. It'll just peck your eye out. It'll shoot your eye out with this thing. This one has a little bit better, instead of the leather strap that the Slow Pour has, this one's just got like the black silicone, and it stays pretty flush to the metal, so you don't really get milk or residue trapped in here. That's really nice. This one does not have an indent or any kind of numbers on the inside letting you know how much milk you're using, so you really just have to, from experience from using it, you'll get the hang of that. So again, this one's really good for cortados now because of this sharp beak. The spout is insane. Obviously, flat whites, cappuccinos, maybe 8-ounce lattes is really the max I would do with this pitcher. Really nice. I love this pitcher. With this maybe being like an 8 out of 10, the price point, you know, went from say like 15 to 68 to 125 for this. This is a JibbiJug. Jibby Little, I think is the name. Jibby Little, either way. This is actually the Warrior Magneto, I believe is the exact model. I don't know if they make these anymore, I have no idea. $125, 15 ounce. It's nice, it's a nice jug. Now, I bought a new pitcher. So, this is another JibbiJug. I have not opened it yet. This is an unboxing video now. I didn't bring a knife with me, so we're just gonna rip this thing open. Let's just, I have my pen. Where's my pen? This is a, I believe 20-ounce pitcher, so I can finally steam more in like a commercial setting, or like a split milk in this 20-ounce. Which makes it viable in commercial settings, basically. Let's pop this baby open and see what we got. Wow, this is a really cool box. Check this out. It's got like, oh okay, so these are some of the different designs that you could do with the pitcher, theoretically, if you were better than me. So, wow. These are like more traditional drawing designs you would use with this really sharp pitcher. Really cool design. So let's pop this baby open. Wow, 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 wow. So, I was looking for a bigger pitcher. I wanted to go with something sharp. Again, I really love the sharp spout. This should be 20 ounces. I think it has a handle. This is the Musketeer version 2. Okay, now we have this. Got a nice wrap here. Have to keep it from getting scratched. Okay, check this out. This is the Musketeer version 2 Rose Gold JibbiJug. JibbiJug, sorry. This is insane. It's got a nice big spout. You could probably get away with gripping it. And look at the sharpness on this. So this is, yeah, 20 ounces. Difference on that. Again, this one's not labeled with anything on the inside, so you just have to get a feel for it. But I love this rose gold color. Very shiny and sleek. It's got some weight. To it. I would say honestly it's pretty similar to this one, maybe a little bit heavier. But wow. Spout, super sharp. Really excited about this. Wow, this is awesome. This is, I wrote down the price, $170 pitcher. $170, that's what they don't tell you about these pitchers. If you go to any competition, you'll always see someone with a Jibby. It is a really high-end, that or a slow pour, but either way, wow. Can't wait to use this. I'm going to be filming more latte art videos soon, so keep an eye out for this puppy. In the meantime, this has been an unboxing video. If you enjoyed seeing me unbox a $170 pitcher, this is, I mean, my collection. It's probably around $300 in pitchers, 3 pitchers, $300. I haven't used this yet, but I'm assuming it's gonna be insane. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.